Hey, Tony Salas here with Diesel Talk. Friday, playing with a 6.7 Powerstroke. Just took out the turbo there. You can see the turbo there. In this case, it sucks to pull the turbos out of these. You know, obviously, probably the next time I do this, we're definitely going to have a lift and do a cab off. You know, so what's the reason for pulling the turbo off? Exhaust leak, actually. So, therefore, upon removal of the turbo, okay, you're gonna see just about right down there we actually have well, I don't know if you can see it there we go. We can see the stud had broken there, and we see the nut was missing there, so that obviously was creating a pretty big exhaust leak. So therefore, if I look at the shield here, and that's the way I diagnosed it, is I had to go underneath the driver's side and saw the blackness right here. So here you can see the blackness